冰雹，广西东方下大冰雹，看哦！大家赶紧躲起来，不要跑出来，全是大冰雹啦！哎呦，下冰雹啦！哎呦，哎呦！
This is stunning video that came out of Austria from over the weekend. What you're looking at is a building buried in deep snow in the Enstal Alps. Doesn't it look like it's part of the mountain range? While this is a beautiful sight, Austria has just been getting clobbered over the past few weeks with heavy snow, and it has been deadly. An avalanche last week killed at least 3 skiers. Residents have been rushing to clear rooftops for fear of it collapsing. Many places in the country were completely cut off from the outside world for more than a week. Now, Austria is not out of the woods yet. There's more snow in the forecast.
Perdi muitos amigos, muitos colegas, e estou muito triste, muito abalado, porque a gente nem tanta palavra não tem jeito de falar. A dor é tão grande, tantos amigos, meus colegas, de fazenda, entendeu? E perdeu o gado tudo, perdeu tudo.
Here we see little fire tornadoes coming off a building that's on fire in the middle of a snowstorm.
That's a haunting sound, if we've ever heard one. One ball, no strikes. And the bunt is foul. The count is 1-1.
Now what could that possibly be?
Somebody shut the door. It sounds supernatural.
Reports of loud booms heard in Brookfield remain a mystery.
While people at Brookfield still suspect the explosion-type noises are related to local injection wells, Glenn Stevens says state regulators have found no evidence of that.
The latest complaints concern loud explosion-type noises. Gloria Douglas lives directly adjacent to the well site.
Yeah, very distinct. You know, it's something that you've not heard here before.
And it's loud?
Very loud.
What is this, Sid? What's that noise? Freaking the dog out. Chill out, Sid. Go inside. What do you think that is?
And what are these strange sounds that are coming at sea? It sounds like it's coming from deep within the ocean here or something. You can see the clouds also look rather strange. Also came across this strange footage from January this year. Something flying behind this plane and catching up and passing it. Very strange. It seems to be obviously a lot smaller. Some are saying it's a person, which that seems a little strange. A UFO, maybe some new technology. I don't know. What do you guys think?